This is the Xsense Smart Smoke Detectors 3-pack. I love Xsense products. I've got a lot of them. They all work with this base station right here. This is the SBS50 base station. So when you get this, it comes in really nice packaging right here. Very nice. 3 mini smoke detectors. You get the base station itself. You get the hardware to mount the smoke detectors. The batteries come already installed. You pull the plastic piece out and you just put them on there. As far as mounting goes, super simple. You mount it, find where you want to mount it, put 2 screws in, and then it just screws onto it. You know, you just lock it into place. Super simple. Nice looking set of instructions on here. Easy to read. Got the QR codes to download the app on here, and the app itself is absolutely fantastic. You can do all kinds of cool stuff with this. And I will show you how to set this up, and I'll show you how the app works on it. It's just an awesome device. Cool thing about the base station is you can actually connect up to 50 different devices on here. Smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, hygrometers, whatever works with this SBS50 base station, you can hook it up on here and monitor it via the Xsense app on your phone. The cool thing about this too is once you get these connected into the app and the base station, they're all interconnected. So if one goes off, they all go off. So here's how loud it is. And check it out, I tested it and it sent me a little alarm to let me know that I've tested the device. How cool is that? So the best thing for me about this system is that I can monitor it from anywhere, at work, while I'm on vacation, anywhere. And it'll send a notification to my phone if there's any issues, which I think is perfect. Plus for me, the base station is compatible with the hygrometers that I already have to monitor the humidity on my guitars. And I love it.